Welcome to HelloGrowth Academy. I'm Riddhi and I'm a small business owner.
I'm Smith and I am a small business coach.
We have talked a lot about the pipeline. Now let's actually build one. Smith promises it takes 10 minutes, not a weekend.
It really does, Riddhi, because you already know the part from lesson 2. Let me walk through it. Step 1. Your stages. Don't overthink them. Start with the journey we already named. New inquiry, contacted, quote, sent negotiating, won, lost. 5 or 6 stages. Matching how you actually sell. You can always adjust later. The worst pipeline is the one you never start because you are busy. Designing the perfect one. Step 2. Pour in your open deals. Every live conversation you are having right now. The quote you sent yesterday, the inquiry from this morning, the customer who's thinking about it. Drop each onto the stage it's really at. Be honest, the first pour is often a shock.
That was my moment. I put in everything and saw 11 deals just sitting in quote sent, untouched for weeks. 11 I'd have sworn it was 3. The board showed me the truth my memory had been hiding.
That's the whole point, visibility. Step 3. Give each deal a next step and a date. We have said it every lesson because it's the heartbeat. No one open deal without one next action and one date. 10 minutes of this and your entire sales situation goes from in your head and stressful to on a board and manageable.
And then the daily habit takes over. The 60 seconds read the Monday 3 numbers, the setup is once, the payoff is every day after.
In HelloGrowth, this is exactly the flow. Name your stages, add your deals as cards, drag them as they move, set the follow-up on each. The free plan gets your working pipeline today. No credit card. 10 minutes now saves the deal you are currently losing in the gaps.
Last lesson of the batch, the one that makes follow-up gap effortless, and your first AI drafted follow-up. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.